All right, today we're gonna bring a fan, and this is a actually wooden pan. All right, it has 3 propellers made of wood. All right, and now they do give you a couple extensions. If you want a higher fan or lower fan, you can do that. That's an option. Here's another stick in here, and you guys can see that. So you could have this. You could decrease the size of it, the length of it, if you want to. That's an option. There's a remote control with it too, also, including the cover for the actually LED lights that are covering. They give you all the tools, all the coverage you need required. Here's pretty much all the bolts that you're going to want to mount. If you have the mounts, you can do that yourself. The instructions included. Also, like I said, this is to actually hold on the actual fan itself. Make sure you have the proper drywall or wood fixture before you're going to mount this up. And also, the cabling is very simple. It's just a plug and play. You're pretty much going to need only the live and the neutral and the ground. That's pretty much it. So everything's included in here. Here we are setting up the LED lights, the last of it. Now, if you ever burned out the LED lights, they're very easy to replace. They're replaceable. All right, the fan has about 6 different speeds, and it has different timelines. It has 1 hour, 4 hours, and 8 hours. Now, you can do the fan reverse if you want. It's easy to control. You could dim down the lights. You could turn off the lights. You pretty much can control everything without even ever turning the switch on with the push of a button, of course. And it's very simple. If you ever lose the control, you can always turn it off and on. It will turn on by itself. And it's easy to program. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.